Hi, boys and girls. This is your new spelling list for this week, starting on Monday, the 6th of July. And as you can see, the rule is using the triple letter blend, squa, squa. Okay, so before we do anything, what I'd like you to do is click on present, and then it gives you a nice big screen of your words. All right. And let's look at the words. We have squad, square, squash, squat, squawk, squeak, squeal, squid, squint, squirt, squirm, squirrel, squish, squiggle, and squeeze. Now all you have to remember is the SQ, and then remember the rest of the letters to make the word. All right. Another thing that I want to show you is that if you click on this picture here, ding, it takes you to a new page. All right. Just ignore all this. Go all the way down. Here are your spelling words, but here are some ways to practice your spelling words. So you can do a practice if you click on that. And then here are your words again. All right. And then you press start.
Squad.
And it says it for you, and then you can type it using
SQUA. D.
And then enter.
Squad.
Okay. And then watch what happens.
SQUA.
Look, I'm going to try and press the S, and it won't let me do it.
D.
Then it lets me do it. Okay? All right. When you're done,
Squad.
you can go back, and you can also use the back arrow to go back to the game, or actually to your spelling list. And then you can actually play games with this if you would like. So after practicing the words, you can also do an online test, or you can play hangman with it. Actually, you can do any of these games. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to start the game.
Squash.
Squash. S. Oh, look, it's put it in there. And I know it's a Q because that's the rule this week. So Q, U. Now all I have to remember is the A. And I know sh is with an H sound. All right. And then when you're done, just press exit. And you can say, yes, I want to exit the game. And it takes you back to the list. So, boys and girls, have fun. Hope you enjoy this.